How to fix microphone not working on Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video we will see how we can fix if your microphone is not working in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. Now, first of all, open up settings in your device. Once you're on the settings, navigate to privacy and security. Now, under privacy and security, scroll down a bit and then go to app permissions. So from here, select microphone. Now, once you're on this page, make sure the application that you are using to access the microphone has the permission to use the microphone in your device. To check that, navigate to that specific application. For example, here on the Messenger, if you're trying to access the microphone, but if that's not working, make sure the toggle is turned on to provide or to access the permission or to allow the permission. If the toggle is turned on or turned off, all you have to do is turn on this toggle to allow the permission. Now, once you go back, check whether your problem is solved or not. If that does not work for you, now you have to click on the search icon and then search for control panel. Now, once you're on the control panel, you have to click on sound. Under playback, look for your microphone, then right click on it. Then click on set as default. Once you have set that as default, now double click on it, then go to levels and make sure you have turn on this volume to its maximum, that is 100. Once you're done, click on OK. Now head towards recording and then select your microphone from here. Right click on it and then click on set as default. Again, double click on your selected microphone. Go to levels and make sure to maximize this volume from here as well. Once done, click on OK. After you're done with this, go back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. If still not, then you have to go to your search icon and in the search bar, search for Troubleshoot settings. Click on it. After you have opened it up, click on Other Troubleshooters. Here, go to Audio and then click on Run. Once you're here, to run your troubleshooter, click on Yes. Now, you have to wait until this troubleshooter will start to diagnostic to your device to find the problem. Once this process is complete, your issue will be solved. So that's how you can fix if your microphone is not working in your Windows 11, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more tutorials.